Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace text with subscript in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we can see here, write a text with subscript. Now we want to replace text with subscript in this Publisher document. Firstly, select the subscript text, then write anything on our keyboard. You can change the text. Select the text, then change it. Now we can see we replace text with subscript this Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.